Sometimes it seems of deepest blue. Sometimes where Eden's bowers bloom, by water still or troubled sea, still 'tis His hand that leadeth me. He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follower I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me.
Lord, I would clasp Thy hand in mine, nor ever murmur, nor repine. Content wherever love I see, since 'tis my God that leadeth me.
He leadeth me, He leadeth me, by His own hand He leadeth me. His faithful follower I would be, for by His hand He leadeth me.
Alright, we're gonna go, right? To the big mountain. Pistoia Peak Mountain, right? Alright, we're almost there. We're gonna go, right? Right? Yeah. Alright, almost there. You guys see the mountains? Mountain range. Yeah, we're gonna go there, right? Right? You guys quiet, why? You guys quiet. You guys don't say anything? What you guys doing in the back? I'm driving and I'm videoing.
Bodoh sendiri. Cuma ada kali tu mah jadi boleh. Pada mau kata jadi mah.
Dua, Pistoia Peak.
Yeah, almost there. Pistoia Peak. Wow. See that lady? She's running into the mountains. She's gonna go high, I guess. Right? Wow, beautiful mountains. We're gonna go there, right? Guys, say louder. We're gonna go there, right? Oh, you guys don't wanna go there?
I want to go there. I want to go there. I want to go there. I want to go
Okay,
home.
right
I wanna
there,
go
the
hike.
mountain
I wanna
range,
go hike.
mountain peak. Alright, we're gonna go there, right?
My friend Sammy's going to see me hike.
Yeah, I know. Wow, so cute.
Can you do
Beautiful, beautiful mountain.